600 watts, so I should be pretty careful with this. Okay, I'm just gonna move the wall away. I know. Okay.
It's an unboxing video.
Yeah. First computer part.
This might take a while.
Unboxing.
We're unboxing. Mom's sick. She's got COVID, and she's also. What a beautiful COVID patient! Wow, sexy COVID patient.
Stop it.
I don't know where this
On the
starts and ends. Oh, on the side.
Max, why don't you take all the plastic off? There we go. Good, it's childproof.
Ciao.
Oh. It's hard to open.
Max, try opening it on the other side. On the other side. On the other
Yeah,
side.
it's like my shoeboxes were. I like the shoeboxes you bought. It's probably got like a tape somewhere.
Okay.
Max.
Pull this up. Pull
It's
this- pull this
hard.
There you go.
Oh, I didn't see that part. Jesus, it is. Okay, there's the wires. Okay, there should be a lot of wires for everything, for the motherboard and the GPU and everything. Okay, this. Oh, wow, it's actually,
Motherboard.
it's big. Yeah.
What do you think, Cam?
That's pretty cool.
There's a lot of wires. I'm glad I don't have to build it.
Ooh, yeah. Okay, this is the most important wire in the entire build. Okay.
Have you got organizational skills for this?
Okay.
Because
Max,
Yeah.
just say something to camera, and then I'm going to turn because it's getting too long. The video's
This
getting way
is
too long.
cool.